Hello, and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, we'll review the timeline, what it is, and how to use it. The timeline is a functional and informational part of the HelpWire operator and client apps, as well as the operator's web portal. It contains a log of important events related to the connection between operators and their clients, and it also serves as their built-in text chat channel. In the web portal, you'll find the timeline on the right side of the screen when you open any client profile. You can keep it open or close it if needed, and this setting is saved for each client individually. Next to the Close button, the Hide HelpWire Events option. Enabling this hides all system notifications in the timeline, leaving only chat messages between the operator and the client. You can toggle it on or off at any time. At the bottom, there's a message field for communicating with the client via text chat. It becomes active only if the client app is running or if unattended access has been set up on their computer. Chat messages display with the operator's avatar and name, or with the client computer's icon if the message comes from the client side. During an active remote desktop session, the timeline is synced with the HelpWire operator app. There, it can be opened or closed using the rightmost button in the operator app toolbar, located above the remote connection screen. All history is encrypted and securely saved both online and locally. The web portal keeps a complete log of all client-related events, while the operator app stores a local copy of the activity that occurs while the app is installed on the operator's computer. In the client app, the timeline is a core part of the interface, occupying most of the window and displaying all key information. By default, it starts with an automatic welcome message from the operator who added the client to the web portal. We've designed the client timeline to keep users fully informed about what's happening on their computer during an active remote desktop session. Clients are notified whenever operators connect to or disconnect from their device. Now that we know what the timeline is, let's look at a few examples of the notifications you may see there. The first system notification you'll likely encounter as an operator is a remote access request you send to your client, along with their response, either granting or denying access. The result appears in the timeline. The same applies to requests for unattended access to client devices and administrative privileges on Windows platform, as well as remote desktop sessions start and finish. If the client revokes an operator's access after initially granting it, a corresponding message will also appear in the timeline. Since multiple operators can connect to the same client simultaneously, you'll also see notifications whenever another operator connects to or disconnects from the client computer. In certain cases, the timeline may also display helpful guidance. For example, instructions for client on granting the necessary permissions in macOS system settings. On macOS, HelpWire requires screen recording and accessibility permissions to function properly. Be sure to check out other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to explore more product features, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.